Hi everyone. Excuse my voice, I'm a little sick right now. But anyways, I'm going to be explaining how I would teach the concept of identifying and describing various landforms to second graders. Like oceans, rivers, lakes, mountains, deserts, that kind of thing. This concept is of course under the standard 7.22a, and for this lesson I would be focusing on specifically deserts. So I found a Magic School Bus book that I would start with. It would be a fun introduction into our desert lesson. It is called The Magic School Bus Gets All Dried Up, a book about deserts by Joanna Cole. The class in this book travel to a desert on a field trip, and they learn about how plants and animals survive in the hot weather. So after reading the book with the class, I would introduce a specific type of desert by showing the kids a 5-minute virtual tour that I found of the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. The video shows the desert at night, during the day. It shows the different animals and vegetation that live there. While the video is playing, I can teach them some specific facts about the desert, about the animals that live there, where the desert is located, the temperature of the desert. I would explain how animals like African wild dogs, camels, snakes live there, and I would tell the class that they should be able to point out some of those animals in the virtual tour video. I'll explain how this desert gets very hot during the day and very cold at night. Because of these big differences in temperature, it puts a strain on the rocks, and that is how they break into sand, and that's why it's all sandy and everything. Lastly, I would explain that this specific desert is in North Africa, but deserts make up 1/5 of Earth's land, so you could find one in different continents, and deserts do not need to be hot. They are characterized by the fact that they have very little rainfall. So Antarctica would be a good example because it's made up of almost all desert, and the second graders should know that, like, Antarctica is very cold. They can take notes in their journals as I speak and write these facts up on the board and while we're watching the video. And then to finish up the lesson, I would hand out a Sahara Desert word search that I created for them, and they can do it with a partner for a fun little activity to end the lesson. And that's it.